back to my channel, Urban Locs. It's your girl Kyra, and today I'm back with another video on some products. So my Locaversary is actually in 2 days, and I've been sitting on my ass not doing my hair. So today I decided to get on up and hit the beauty supply store. So I actually got some new stuff that I've never used before, never tried, and I just want to show you guys and then come back to you at a later date and let you know how that's going. Okay, so before we get started, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also leave a comment if you do subscribe. I will do my best to reply to all those comments and get back to you, like, share, all that good stuff as well. So let's go ahead and actually get started and take a look. I was in one of them beauty supply stores, I swear, like, lie to you not, I was in that store for like at least an hour and a half. Like, I know they were probably looking at me like,
she's a thief, watch her.
I was sitting there doing mad research in the aisle. I was like, because I was actually going to try out a new shampoo, and I was going to consider trying out a new conditioner, or trying out a conditioner because I don't use conditioner, and things just didn't work out in my favor. So what I'm going to use today, because I'm actually going to do my hair today, is my Shea Moisture Restore and Replenish, or Replenish and Restore shampoo, something like that, with the Jamaican black castor oil and the apple cider vinegar and all that shit. So I'm gonna use that. Let's start with these bad boys. So I got two different colors. This is the jumbo sized. Wombo. And this pack was $1.29, and it comes with 12. So it's a pack of 12 for $1.29. Yeah. So then this one, also a pack of 12. But these are also jumbo, but these are skinnier. So for my skinnier locks, I'm gonna be using these, and obviously for the bigger ones, I'm using the orange ones. Also, I got this. Now, this is my first time buying anything like this, but this is actually a jet bonnet dryer attachment. This was $12.99, golden hot, okay, golden hot. All you do is you literally just, I guess, stick the blow dryer on the back or on the end of this, and then just shove it on your head, I guess. So let's go ahead and take out the bag, actually. Or the box. $12.99, golden hot, and show me what you got. So this is what's in the box. That's it. Okay. Uh-oh. This seems a bit tight. I don't know if this is gonna fit with those rollers on my head. I feel like I'd be scared that like the plastic would burn the hell up if I put this on. You got some little air holes in the back. We'll see about this. Cause she's snug, but she fits. Just a little action. Hold on.
I thought I'd been shot. I was hit in the lower leg. The explosion was a bomb. Detonated about 30
I also got me a new brush. Now this is a soft board bristle brush. This was $8.99. I don't know what the dog tag is about. I guess that's how y'all men get down. This is style or something. You walk around with this on your brush. I don't know. That's all it says is wavy. Make sure that you read your tag, because they have soft, medium, and hard. So I sat there and I looked through 8,000 brushes, and I wanted the one with the handle just so I could find. Oh, this feels good on my hair. I think I like this more than my other brush. And now for the most exciting part. So let me tell you something. I sat in them damn aisles for, like I said, like at least an hour and a half, Googling everything from shampoos to conditioners to locking gels. I was looking for a natural one, and I couldn't really find one. So I said, you know what? You're sitting here wasting your time looking stupid. Just stick to what you know. So I went to Oil's Lane. went to the oils lane and I decided to spoil myself a little bit. So first, or oils aisle, to went to oils lane. This one is a sweet almond oil, 100% dough. Let's see, is it focusing? So I believe this was $6.99. I'm just gonna read to you guys what it says about this. It is rich in omega-9 and omega-6 fatty acids. Your hair can benefit by being stronger, thicker, and shinier. It's great for protecting and adding shine to hair, while at the same time smelling wonderful. Try using it as a preconditioner to washing, conditioning, and styling in order to prevent split ends, and after styling to prevent frizz and shine. As a versatile moisturizer, try massaging it directly into the roots to help ease the symptoms of dry scalp. While these benefits are already scientifically known, some believe that it can actually stimulate hair growth and lead to fuller and thicker hair. All right, so that's sweet almond oil. Let me get a good whiff of this because I didn't smell it in the store. Guess I couldn't have anyway. It literally don't smell like nothing. I smell nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. Nothing. Like not even a hint. I smell absolutely nothing. Didn't I read something on here that said it smells good? Yeah, I didn't shine the hair while at the same time smelling wonderful. I feel like we were sniffing cocaine. Like I really don't smell anything at all. Okay, well, this don't have a scent, like at all. Next, I'll move on to the flaxseed oil. Flaxseed, 100% pure. So it says it's known as one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish hair follicles for healthy hair growth. It's also rich in protein and selenium, both of which are necessary for growing healthy, shiny hair. Its vitamin E content provides additional nourishment for hair follicles and moisturizes the strands. 100% pure flaxseed oil creates a natural protective barrier which helps skin and hair retain natural moisture levels while blocking humidity and environmental pollution. Let's give this a whiff. This one stinks. It smells like fish oil. Like the fish oil that you drink, cod liver oil. It stinks. Like it stinks. Ooh, maybe I should do like the consistency of these. Let me show you. So this is the almond oil. Damn, it's way too much. This is how it moves. Nice light oil. Let's see how the flaxseed one moves. Ooh. See, it's moving pretty fast. Okay. So these all seem like really light oils so far. Really light. That flaxseed stank. Stank. I don't know if I can use that. I mean, I guess it'll probably fade away some, but next. So this is the first one that I bought. I was pretty excited for this one. Come on. So this is cannabis, hemp, and black castor oil. This is $8.99. These are all 100% natural, organic. So this is stimulating growth oil infused with biotin and aloe. Formulated to help promote healthy hair, nail, brow, and lash growth. 72 hours time release moisturization, and it improves dry and itch scalp conditions. I think they're missing a letter. Is that supposed to be itchy? Improve dry and itch scalp conditions. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it smells like stinking funky ass flaxseed oil. I'm so disappointed in that. Oh, this one's a little thicker. She got a little more power to her. Tell by how slow it's moving compared to the other ones. Yeah, this one's definitely thicker. This smells like, I don't know, but it has a pleasant scent. The last one is like the coolest to me, and they had a bunch of these. So this is actually white rice powerful growth. I'm excited. There were two other kinds too. I think it was black rice and then another one. I took a picture, so I'll insert them somewhere. But this was the one that I found was the most, because one of them was to make your hair thicker. Definitely don't need that. I don't need that. Like it was the black one. The black rice was to make your hair thicker and fuller. And then the other one, I can't remember what it was, but I took pictures. So anyway, now this one encourages longer and fuller hair, yes, but longer hair I'll take. White rice is full of nutrients that promote the natural hair to grow longer and fuller. Also, it manages dry and damaged hair. So that's the reason why I got it. I was like, okay, I can benefit something, you know, for dry, damaged hair, because I've dyed my hair 100 times. This has white rice, rice bran oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, clary sage oil, and lavender oil. Let's see what this one is looking like. Oh, so thicker than the first two. So it's thicker than the almond oil and the flaxseed oil. But I would say probably lighter than the cannabis and the black castor oil one. Maybe about the same actually, but you see it took a little while to slide down, so that's it. And that, my friends, is all I got today at the beauty supply. I am actually very, 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 very excited to try these oils. The flaxseed, not so much, but I guess if I mix it with another one, maybe that'll excite me. So I'm actually about to jump in the shower and start doing my hair. Stay tuned for these lock curls I'm gonna do tonight. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button before you go. Leave a comment down below if you've used any of these oils and what you found, you know, to be your opinion of them. Yeah, let me know, especially if you try this flaxseed oil, this funky ass flaxseed. Let me know, okay? Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.